Hello amazing people, so in today's video we will learn about a very interesting programming code for rock paper scissors game. So let's begin our today's video. I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code on my laptop and just creating a new file, rock paper scissors.py. So here we go, starting our program with importing the random module. Why we are doing that? So it's simple. We are doing it because when you are installing Python, you will by default get Python interpreter, its functions and types, and other standard libraries as a package. So importing random module for choosing random options from the list that you will provide later on. So I'm going to just type system choice, which indeed is a random choice that we want to import and we want to select from the system perspective. So it's random.choice, which is the function, and here we go, we are going to scissor and it's rock and it's paper. That's so simple. So the next line of code is to have user choice as a variable, and you have to use input function and write it down that what do you want, rock, paper or scissor. So here we go, we have to write /n for just letting this line of code to know that after executing this line you have to move immediately to the next line. So after this code you have to write if else statement for your code. I'm going to start if system choice equals to user choice. So what will happen then, you have to print it out as a draw as an output. So the next one is elif, means else if user choice equals to rock and system choice equals to scissor. So what will happen then? Again you have to use print command, and in that case you are the winner. The system had just excuse me, the system has so we have to concatenate its system choice. So what will happen with this command, the print command will display the system choice to just let you know that why you are winner and what is the choice of the system, choosing it from the random.choice function. So again you have to write a line of code for elif user choice equals to paper and system choice equals to rock. What will happen then? You have to again print is winner, the system had, again concatenate, and you have to write down the system choice. Next again you have to type elif command and user choice equals to SCISSOR and system choice equals to paper, and what you will do in that case, you have to print he's the winner. The system had concatenate the value of system choice. So the last one, when you are done with the else statements, you have to write the else command, that other than these else if statement, if any other option is available, you have to do print you lose and system wins. So the system is happy, definitely. So just recheck everything from this code and let me just run this program to just find out if there is any issues. So it will prompt me a display, what do you want, rock paper scissors. So I'm just writing it down. The first one, it's rock. So there is an error over here on line 7. Oh, it's system choice. Just pardon me, it's so silly that I made a mistake. I'm going to run this program once again and just write it down, rock. So you will see it's draw. And if we run this program once again and see, I'm going to type SCISSOR. So it will prompt me that I'm the winner, the system had paper. So it's simple. If you see this command, this is the execution of this line of code in the else if, that I have selected the SCISSOR and the system chooses the paper. So I'm the winner. So this way you have to create a very interesting game, rock paper scissors. I know this is a bit coding, a lot of coding for you guys, but if you're a beginner, this code really helps you to just excel in the Python. If you like this video, just hit thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.